Hello, and welcome back to our comprehensive tutorial series on PTPShopy. In this segment, we're diving into the exciting world of crowdfunding. Whether you're an entrepreneur with a groundbreaking idea or looking to fund a special project, PTPShopy's crowdfunding feature is designed to empower your journey to success. Let's start your crowdfunding journey. First, log into your PTPShopy account and navigate to the crowdfunding section. Here, click on Create to begin setting up your campaign. You'll need to give your project a name and enter the name of the campaign that you want users to see when checking out. Once this has been done, upload the logo or image depicting your crowdfunding campaign. Enter the amount you want to raise and select the display currency. Click on Create. Your campaign has been created. Go to Accepted Cryptocurrencies and select the currencies you want to accept. From there, click on Widget to get the widget you need to add to your website. Click on Add New Widget, as we don't have one created. From the crowdfunding widget type, select the one you prefer, a bar, button, or link. For this example, we'll click on bar. Now that we are here, we want to provide the bar with a name, a description, the title of the crowdfunding payment link. Once entered, choose the theme, light or dark. Then enter the link to the image. This is needed in order to provide the system a route to download the image for the widget. As an example, you can go to our main website, PTPShopy.com, click on Merchant Tools in the menu, scroll down and select one of the PTPShopy icons. Open the icon, right-click and select Copy Image Address. Now, go back to the image link, paste the link, click on Save. The bar is created and you can confirm the information to make sure if any changes need to be made. In the preview screen, you can see the widget and the currencies that you accept. If a user clicks on the currency, it will show the QR code and the destination address. All received donations are shown in the campaign section of the crowdfunding module. You can create multiple crowdfunding widgets for each campaign. To implement this widget, go to the widget section of your campaign. There you will see a Place This Code before closing body tag field. Copy and paste this field into the body of your website. In addition, copy the second code and paste it where you want to display the widget on your website. With your campaign live, it's time to spread the word. Utilize social media, email, and other marketing channels to engage with your audience and build a supportive community. The more you engage, the wider the reach and the greater the potential for success.